Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today with a very sharp bounce with a gap in the morning. I think the wave 3 has already completed and wave 4 is into construction. As we saw here, it's the same pattern here. So I think 61% retracement is expected, which is around 5980. But if we close above 5936, then I think then I think it will overlap this pattern, and we can go higher than that because then it will become an ABC pattern. So at this point of time, in the short term, I'll be expecting 5930, 5950, which is a 61% retracement. But the momentum indicator has already given a buy signal, so it has to complete the entire cycle. And today we've seen a 50% retracement already, so there is a lot of very high probability that we would pass even the previous highs. On the hourly charts, this downward sloping trend line has broken on the upside with a gap. The momentum indicator is still on the buy, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. Bank Nifty has also taken support at the previous swing lows, just around the previous swing low, and now I'll be expecting a good bounce here till at least 12,500, which is the medium term outlook, medium term targets on the Bank Nifty. A 5-wave decline has completed here, and a good retracement till at least 61% is expected, which is 12,500. Support would be around 11,500 and 11,370, and the resistance would be around 11,741 and 11,980. M&M is looking extremely good. A bullish flag pattern has taken support at the lower end of the Bollinger Band on the daily charts. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal, so I'll be expecting a breakout of this pattern on the upside. Support would be around 953 and 930. Resistance would be around 1004 and 1050. Bharti is also looking great here. A triangular pattern has formed, and I'll be expecting this triangle pattern to break on the upside. A momentum indicator has given a buy signal already, so I'll be expecting a good rally in the stock. 281 and 275 is support levels, and resistance would be around 302 and 320. 320 would be a short-term targets. So overall, friends, things are looking good in the short term. Resistance would be around 5950, 5980 levels. So I'll be expecting those levels to be achieved in the short term. But if it goes above those levels, then I think the higher targets would be achieved above 6400. But for time being, medium term outlook is still negative. If we close above 6000, to be very specific, then I think the medium term outlook will become positive. Thank you so much.